So let's tell you all about the Fred Olsen app. It's free to use, you don't have to be connected to the internet, and it's obviously easily accessible on your phone. So to start with, the main menu comes up like this, and you can access the following things. The daily times, which is obviously got what's going on around the ship. Really useful, tells you obviously where you are, etc. But also shows you exactly what's happening through the ship through the day.
Yeah, all the activities.
Yeah, which you can see here.
Oh, dolphin racing today.
Dolphin racing, how bizarre is that? Lunchtime melodies. So it tells you exactly everything in all the lounges around the ship, which is really handy to have. So you can plan your day, because there's lots going on, and you have to be quite organised to make sure that if there are, particularly with the entertainment, because it has it in different lounges. So back to main menu, and you can scroll up there and you can see obviously you can access the internet. We will do a separate video about the internet access and how much that is. Further on up, it shows you all about your cruise, which just shows you your map, etc. And if you scroll up on that, it just gives you a bit of an explanation about the ports of call, etc., so that you can do your research. And then back to the main menu there. The one that we've used quite a bit is the food and drinks. It shows you what time, obviously, the different restaurants, etc., are open. But it does show you also the menus, so you can have a look to see if there's anything that you fancy going, depending, because there's, for a small ship, there's a lot of dining options, isn't there? Yeah. There's a lot of choice, and we've been really, really impressed with the food. So this has been really good just to see before we decide where we're going to eat for the day, of what we want. So that's all about the restaurants there. And then also it shows you about the bars if you keep scrolling up. And it shows you the marquee bar and a bar menu, which we will be doing a separate video about too, because we've been on the all-inclusive, and we could explain all that. So it's really, really helpful. Back to the main. And we scroll up. If you want to use the spa, it has all the treatments on there, which we haven't used. But it does show you that it's open from 8 in the morning to 8 at night, and all the different treatments that you want, the packages that you can have, that's available to you. And also you can go into publications, which is where you can look at future cruises, open up all the brochures, etc., so that you can plan your next cruise with Fred. And you can also access your account, cabin account as well, so you can check what you've been charged for and make sure that everything is in order, so you don't have to get home and worry about what's going on with your account. So that's it really. You can log into the internet, like we said, which we've been doing, and we've just found it really, really, really good.
It's very useful. Yeah.
It is really useful. You still get your paper cruise news, don't you? So you can carry that around too, and some people do prefer paper, but as we're on our phones quite a lot, this has been very, very handy. So that's the Fred Olsen app on the Braemar.
We've been Paul and Cara Loves to Travel. Now why not watch this video next?